And oh my god, guys, look what's happening here. The free resources arrived and they're just appearing right now. What's up, guys? Free coins in Disney Magic 3D game. This is what we're doing today. This is not any trick. You can call it hack, but these resources were bought by some sponsors because they decided to offer a method so we can get these resources for free. So I'm starting by disable my power saving mode. I'm just gonna enable and disable it again to be sure. I want to show you guys how's the situation before trying this method. So I'm gonna open my game now, and as you can see, this is the situation, not too great, but we're gonna change that as soon as possible. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com, make sure it's the .com one, and here I'm searching for Disney Magic game to find it easier. Then I'm selecting Android because that's what I'm playing on, and I'm gonna go with the biggest number of coins. As I've already mentioned, guys, these resources are given by some sponsors, so they actually require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. Don't worry about it, this is very easy to use, and you also have a small tutorial there to help you. Alright guys, now it's time to check the game. And oh my god, guys, look what's happening here. The free resources arrived and they're just appearing right now. I'm gonna put my fingers above so you can see this is for real. Thanks for watching. I hope you also enjoyed this method, and don't forget to leave a like, maybe even a subscribe if you wish. Cheers.